Welcome. If you're looking to quickly clear out all messages in a Telegram chat on your PC with just a few clicks, you're in the right place. With the latest Telegram update, managing your chat history has never been easier. Let's walk through the simple steps to delete all messages in a chat with one click. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once you're in, navigate to the chat where you want to remove all messages. This could be a private conversation, a group, or any chat where you'd like a fresh start. Next, right-click on the chat in your chat list. This brings up a menu with several options. Here, you'll want to look for the option labeled Clear History. Click on it. This feature is designed to remove all messages from the selected chat, making it a fast and efficient way to declutter your conversations. After clicking Clear History, a confirmation window will pop up. Telegram wants to make sure you really want to erase everything, so take a moment to double-check that you've selected the correct chat. If you also want to delete the messages for the other person in a private chat, you may see an option to do so. Just check the box if that's what you need. Once you're sure, confirm your choice by clicking Delete. Instantly, all messages in that chat will be wiped out, leaving you with a clean slate. It's that simple. No need to select messages one by one or use complicated tools. Just a few clicks, and your chat history is gone. This method is perfect for keeping your Telegram organized, protecting your privacy, or simply starting fresh in any conversation. Remember, once you clear the history, those messages are gone for good, so be certain before you confirm. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with friends who might need a quick way to manage their Telegram chats. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to make the most out of your messaging experience.